Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to come by and view this video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a week 8 assignment. We'll be styling the website that we did last week using CSS. So we're going to be using only CSS to style and not JavaScript or any HTML. We're going to create some styles rules using these selectors, and they want elements to be styled. I'm sorry. They want elements to be styled. In my previous video, you probably remember seeing my week 7 assignment where I created a website using HTML. Okay, and this week's assignment, we're going to be using CSS to style those web pages. All right, so I'll go ahead and show my home page for my HTML. So on my home page, this is what comes up. This is the HTML page here. In my CSS, I documented what each of these classes and IDs do. This first one created a div class for the links here. So these links are affected by this one here, a paragraph, another paragraph, class that displays the join to receive. Instant updates and exclusive content is here, and the properties that affect that. And all of these just have properties. So this is what my homepage turned out to be like. This is the first header. The first header has the artist name. These are my A links that operate and go back and forth to other pages. And when you hover over them, you can see that the links change to the color red. And I'll show you that in the CSS as well. So I have some hover elements here. So when the mouse hovers over any links, the text will turn red. This class organizes the list, and it floated it to the right. So it gives it a little 10 pixel margin, as well as, so this is the image element, and it just puts all these things in line so that the image goes first, and then it pushes the list in this header element over to the right of the image. All right, and that concludes my home page. My sign up page. Okay. So here's my sign up page. Oh, shoot. For some reason, I have a little bit of space up here, and I don't want this space to be shown. So on my sign up page, my CSS, let's see. With all of my notes, I should be able to find that here. Margin 0. Oh, okay. It doesn't look like there's a body element. So let me go ahead and replace the body element. And here I will bring the margin down to 0. And if we go back to this page, you'll see that cleaned that up here. Otherwise, if I took that off, you'll see that it goes back to this like this. So yeah, obviously, I need to have that there to have that fixed. So that fixes my about page. Everything else on my about page is fine. That concludes my sign up page. Here's my about page. So on my about page, everything tends to be in line. So I don't have any glitches in the top. Everything is styled from the links, turning red when you hover to the table data, turning gray when you hover over the table data. And these links also that turn red and go to different Facebook pages. I styled the headings, styled this heading, styled the text here. I made the text smaller. And I'll show that in my CSS. My CSS, I have all my stylings and properties listed here in this page. You can see that everything has been documented nicely to tell me exactly what each element or exactly what each CSS code is doing so that it will be easier to locate. So yeah, this pretty much wraps up my, oh, hold on. It says I have an error on my CSS. Okay, so there you go. I guess that was, I don't know how that got deleted, but that fixes my error in my CSS. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I look forward to being able to access this site sometime in the near future. Thank you all, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.